I am so excited. We just got my very first 3D printer. They finally came down in price enough that I could afford one. And this one is geared towards children. So I think I should be able to figure out how to use it. So we're going to open it up and see what's in the box.
I can always see what's in it.
You can?
But I don't know how to use cutout.
No. Get that. Go. So, first off we have some yellow
piece of paper.
Sticky something. And we have the warranty card. And we have a giant spatula. Ooh, spatula. Imagine that for peeling the stuff off. And some other tools. That's probably for doing the nozzle, cleaning the nozzle. A cord to attach it to your computer. This is probably the plastic that it extrudes. Not very much. And a micro secure digital card. There. And here is the actual thing, and it's much bigger than, oh, that's more like it. This, I believe, is the plastic to make the 3D model. And then we have lovely directions on how to put this together.
Mom, can I get the oil?
The oil?
The ink? Do the ink?
You want to open the ink also? Okay. On the side here, it's right over there. We have the power cord. And looks like a printer cord. Oh, power cord. Two parts of the power cord. Another. Anything else in that piece? You're going to do that over here. This is the second part that I got.
I know we opened it.
Yeah. And you're starting to open it already. And this part cost extra. I didn't realize it came with that much already. What's in there? I got some packing paper. And a big old box.
Ow, 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 ow.
And the receipt. Just run it along here. And let's see if I can lift this thing.
Oh, God.
What do you think? Can I lift it out of here?
I don't know. Wait, I'll give you some help.
Oh, you pull the box. Yeah.
I can!
Ah.
Did you get it?
Not yet. Pull the box.
Okay.
There we go.
Got it.
Inside. Oh. Uh-oh. Don't stunk. All nestled in styrofoam.
Ow.
You like the box now, huh? Put the dog's bed back. And here is the actual printer. Wow, it's a giant box. One of the boxes, one of the ones I was looking at was a really cool one that was, 5 times more in price than this one, and it said it was the size of a coffee maker. But this is obviously the size of an old-style microwave. It's pretty big. It's taped shut, but it looks like there's some controls here. I'm assuming it extrudes in there. There's probably bits here go across. I don't know what this is, but this is what you get in the box. And for extra, like $30 extra for another roll of this clear plastic. And this one just uses the PLA, which is slightly more eco-friendly than the other kind, the harder plastic. And then once I figure out how to use it, I'll do a little tutorial on that. They're almost ready. Should I check them? Okay, wait, we gotta turn it off.